You asked how to buy shares of EVS Broadcast Equipment SA, a Belgian live production systems company listed on Euronext under the ticker EVS.BR. This short guide is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EVS.BR to find EVS Broadcast Equipment SA. Make sure you select the Euronext listing to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and the Euronext listing so you are on the correct share page. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled to execute later, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.